Hello, good afternoon, girls. Today we discuss about the analytical aspect of fiscal policy, in which we discuss about the fiscal deficit. In a fiscal year, when the total budget expenditure is more than the total budget receipts, except borrowing, is known as fiscal deficit. In other words, it is the aggregate borrowing government needs to meet out its disbursements in a fiscal year. The huge amount of borrowing indicates high deficit. Fiscal deficit is the method to determine the borrowings of the governments to fulfill the expenses when the resources are limited. The fiscal deficit can be determined by adding of indirect repayment in expenditure and deducting it from revenue receipts and non-debt capital receipts in expenditure. इसे इक्वेशन के रूप में भी हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. फिजिकल डेफिसिट इज इक्वल टू टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर माइनस रेवेन्यू रिसीप्ट्स प्लस नॉन डेट कैपिटल रिसीट्स. Physical deficit consists of all the aggregate borrowings of government which is collected from all the sources and repayments of total interest. It is also refers to a gross fiscal deficit, GFD. It controls the government expenditure through borrowings and maintaining cash balance. The borrowings in India are shown after subtracting the repayments. The loan given to the public is shown on expenditure column and recoveries of interest are shown receipts column. Hence, it lowers the amount. Now we discuss the implications of fiscal deficit. The implications of fiscal deficits are as follows. Number 1, debt traps. The main source of finance of fiscal deficit is borrowing, and it raises the issues of interest payment and repayments of loans. The liability of repayment of loan along with interest payment increases in upcoming years with the increase in government borrowing. The payment of interest increases the revenue expenditure, leading to the higher revenue deficit. At the end, the government needs to borrow for payment of interest, which leads to vicious circle and debt trap. And next is the wasteful expenditure. The wasteful expenditure of government may lead the high fiscal deficit, and it may leads the emergency of inflationary situation in the economy. Now, okay, girls.